diagnose four-wheel drive problem, for high and for low light flashing when in for high setting and the vehicle is dry. On 2013 Toyota Tundra. Right now we're driving on the air. As you can see, the rear drive shaft spinning, rear wheel is spinning, and also front drive shaft is spinning because in four-wheel drive high. So transfer case is working, but the front wheel is not spinning. Yeah, because this front drive shaft locking actuator has failed. It's not engaging the front axle. Thank you everyone so much for watching. Have a great day.